Welcome to a Project Hunter lockdown woodworking project.
Okay, now for designing the project I want to build today. I started with a side, and I worked with it a little bit to get the area here a little bit thicker so that it would be a little more solid, because the grain's going to be running along this way. And I think this is exactly what I want. I brought it in a little bit from the edge of the 4x4 so that it's a little more chance to get it right. And then we can flip it horizontally to get the other side. Then of course I want to put the screw holes in, and you can see that we have the screw holes that'll be going into the 3/4 inch piece that goes between the two ends to make it stable. Then I'm going to countersink some screw tops. It looks like we don't have them on the other side yet, so I'm going to highlight them and flip horizontal. And this is pretty much it. And this will go only 3/4 inch deep so that I could cut that off on the bandsaw and then cut another 3/4 inch piece to have the part that goes between the two brackets here. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like when it's cut out. And then this is the, like we slice along here on the bandsaw, and it should be ready to put together after a little bit of sanding. So that's it. Now let's take it over to the bandsaw. Sure is nice when a plan comes together. Yeah, by the sound of this sander, it looks like I'm going to need a new one before long. Something's going bad in it. Found a
3/8 inch piece of dowel. Now let's glue this thing together. Now to put a little Danish oil finish on it. Okay, here we go. Seems to work. Well, what do you know? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.